In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from your Xero account. Whether you're organizing your customer information or backing up data, exporting your contacts can be a lifesaver. So let's dive right in and walk you through this process step by step. First things first, log into your Xero account. If you're new to Xero or haven't logged in for a while, make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you've logged in, you will be greeted with your dashboard. From here, we will move to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. Here, you'll find several categories that help you manage your finances, and one of these is the Contacts section. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This will open up a list of options related to managing all the people and businesses you work with. Once you've clicked on Contacts, you will see options like All Contacts, Customers, and Suppliers, among possibly others. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose to export all contacts by selecting All Contacts, or you can narrow it down to a specific group, like Customers or Suppliers. For today, let's say you're going with All Contacts, which is a good way to ensure you have a full backup of everyone you interact with through Xero. After selecting the category of contacts you need, it's time to locate the Options menu. This might be easy to miss if you don't know what you're looking for, so stay with me here. In the top right corner of the contact list, you'll see 3 vertical dots, usually right near a button labeled New Contact. These 3 dots represent the Options menu, and once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Export. By clicking Export, you're telling Xero to prepare your contacts for download. Just give it a few moments and Xero will generate a CSV file for you. This file contains all the contacts you selected for export. Finally, once the file is ready, Xero will download it directly to your computer. You can find this file in your designated download folder unless you've set it up otherwise. You're now free to open this CSV file using any spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This will allow you to view, edit, or simply keep the data for your records. That's it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Xero. With these simple steps, you can ensure that your contact data is both accessible and well organized. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.